Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. In today's video, we'll explore how to eat healthy while dining out and traveling. This isn't about rigid rules, but rather about adapting and making conscious choices that align with our well-being. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Mindset over perfection. Before we embark on our culinary adventures, let's first adjust our perspective. The objective is not to achieve perfect eating habits, but to make informed decisions that nourish our bodies. A single meal, no matter how indulgent, won't derail our progress. It's the consistency of our choices that truly shapes our health. Think of it like this: when we travel, we don't obsess over every step we take. Similarly, with food, we should aim for balance and enjoyment. Remember, this is a journey of sustainability, not deprivation. Chapter 2. Plan ahead when possible. A little foresight can go a long way in maintaining our healthy habits while on the move. Many restaurants now post their menus online, allowing us to peruse our options and make healthier choices before even setting foot in the establishment. We can also use apps like Google Maps or Yelp to scout out restaurants near our hotels that align with our dietary preferences. Packing our own provisions is another valuable strategy, particularly for travel days. Instead of reaching for the tempting and often unhealthy snacks offered on board, you reach into your bag and pull out a stash of protein bars, mixed nuts, or a piece of fresh fruit. And if you have the luxury of choosing your accommodation, consider opting for hotels that offer breakfast buffets. A balanced breakfast, rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, sets the tone for the day and provides the energy needed to explore new horizons. Chapter 3. Build a balanced plate. Whether we're seated in a charming Parisian cafe or a bustling New York steakhouse, the principles of a balanced plate remain universal. First, we lay the foundation with a good source of protein. This could be grilled fish, chicken breast, tofu, or legumes. Next, we add a vibrant array of vegetables, nature's own nutritional powerhouses. Finally, we round out the plate with a source of healthy carbohydrates or fats. Let's take an example. Imagine you're at a Thai restaurant, tantalized by the aromatic spices and exotic flavors. Instead of opting for a deep-fried dish laden with heavy sauces, why not choose a grilled chicken satay with steamed rice and a side of stir-fried vegetables? The flavors are just as vibrant, but the impact on your body is vastly different. And a final tip when ordering: don't hesitate to request sauces and dressings on the side. Chapter 4. Watch portion sizes. In the modern world, particularly when dining out, we're often confronted with an abundance of food, far exceeding our actual needs. Restaurant portions, particularly in North America, have ballooned in recent decades, but here's the liberating truth. You don't have to finish everything on your plate. It's okay to listen to your body's signals of fullness and stop eating when you're satisfied. One option is to share a meal with a friend or loved one. Another approach is to request a half portion or ask for a takeout container when your meal arrives. And unless you're truly ravenous, consider skipping the extra bread basket or chips that often grace restaurant tables. Instead of ordering a full portion of pasta, why not split it with your dining companion and order a refreshing salad to share? Chapter 5. Hydrate smartly. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for our well-being, particularly when traveling. The sensation of thirst can often masquerade as hunger, leading us to reach for a snack when our bodies are actually craving fluids. A simple yet effective strategy is to start each meal with a glass of water. When it comes to beverages, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a splash of lemon or lime. If you do choose to indulge in an alcoholic beverage, do so mindfully. Imagine yourself at the airport, waiting for your flight. Instead of grabbing a specialty coffee drink, choose water or unsweetened tea to save calories and prevent an energy crash. Chapter 6. Choose your indulgence. Travel is about experiencing new cultures, embracing new adventures, and indulging in the local cuisine. The key is not to deny ourselves these pleasures, but rather to enjoy them strategically. Allow yourself one mindful indulgence per day, perhaps a decadent dessert, a glass of local wine, or a rich, flavorful entree. By consciously choosing our indulgences and savoring them fully, we transform them into cherished experiences. If you know you'll be enjoying a multi-course meal in the evening, opt for lighter fare during the day. Conversely, if you're planning a day of hiking or sightseeing, a heartier breakfast or lunch will provide the sustained energy you need. Imagine you're in Italy, eager to sample the local gelato. Enjoy a scoop of gelato as an afternoon treat, savoring every spoonful. For dinner, opt for a lighter meal, perhaps grilled fish with a side of fresh vegetables. Chapter 7. Stay active while traveling. Movement remains crucial for our physical and mental well-being, particularly when our routines are disrupted by travel. Regular physical activity helps to burn calories, maintain a healthy weight, aid digestion, boost metabolism, and improve mood. Staying active while traveling doesn't require hours in the gym or elaborate workout routines. Instead of hailing a taxi or hopping on a bus, consider exploring your surroundings on foot. Many hotels now offer fitness centers, providing a convenient space to maintain your exercise routine. Even if your hotel lacks a dedicated gym, bodyweight exercises can be done anywhere, anytime. Imagine yourself waking up in a new city, lacing up your shoes and heading out for a brisk 20-minute walk. Chapter 8. Best travel snacks to pack. We can equip ourselves with a stash of healthy snacks to navigate the unpredictable terrain of travel. Hunger pangs can strike at any moment, leading us to make impulsive and often unhealthy food choices. Having a supply of nutritious snacks on hand can mean the difference between maintaining our healthy habits and succumbing to the siren song of the vending machine. Protein bars, with their convenient packaging and balance of protein, carbohydrates, and fats, are a travel staple. Hard-boiled eggs, nature's own protein powerhouses, are another excellent option. Trail mix, a customizable blend of nuts, seeds, and dried fruit, can provide a satisfying crunch and a boost of energy. Dried fruit, particularly varieties with no added sugar, can satisfy a sweet craving while providing fiber and antioxidants. For a warm and comforting snack, consider packing instant oatmeal packets. Imagine yourself rushing through a crowded airport terminal, reaching into your bag and pulling out a handful of almonds or a protein bar. Chapter 9. Bon voyage to healthy habits. By planning ahead, making conscious choices, and allowing ourselves room for enjoyment, we can navigate the culinary landscape with confidence and ease. Your lifestyle doesn't need to pause when you travel. You just need a smarter approach. Thank you for watching. And remember, your goals can travel with you.